Good evening. Christmas Day evening. And these guys just showed up. There's a bunch of them out there. Do not know what it is. Little moths. Really weird. So I just gave the girls their treats, winding them down for their bedtime. It's in the upper 40s here in King County, Washington, and I'm happy about that. I'm going to start winding up these cords for their water heaters. I don't think we're going to get back down into the freezing temperatures for several weeks, so enjoy us on that. So we're a week away from a road trip and picking up 8 Rhode Island Reds for the Winchester coupe. We got to balance out the load in there and get some more eggs. The one that goes back over in that corner, the big one that we're going to be installing here in about 6 weeks, that'll have about 25 to 30 chickens. That's about 2 months out, and I need to balance out some eggs now, so I'm getting more chickens. All right, so lights are out, the girls are in bed, everybody's happy. You know, I'm going to pick up those Rhode Islands, and I thought about it. I might pick him up a Frizzle girlfriend. He does so bad with hens, but I feel sorry that he's there by himself. He can see the girls, and I talk to him every day, but I don't know, something I'll think about. It's a really odd thing. In 20 minutes, we got this really dense fog come in. And I know it's a mix of the neighbor's compost fire, the negligent compost fire, where he kept dumping his land waste from his business in. But this is kind of, I love the fog. It's kind of creepy, but it's nice. I also gassed the crap out of him with 4 gassers today. So there was about 15 piles that I had to wait until the ground dried up to go after them. And I should have them by now. Man, the moisture content, everything is wet. It's 100% humidity. Just moisture in the air. The roof, everything. Look at this. The car's wet. Man, this is, we've had some really weird December weather. So we had a really nice prime rib dinner. I picked up a 4-pound prime rib and cooked it up. Man, was it really good. Fred and I and Mom kind of had dinner together, and it was really nice. So, well, with that being said, I'm going to get the fire stoked up and relax for a little bit and go to bed early. So you guys stay safe. Have an amazing day.